Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and judging by the title of the video, you probably already know what I have here. I was able to put in an order last week when I got the notification email that this watch was available. Um, and fortunately, I got the order in before it sold out, and currently it is out of stock, sold out um, on the website. Um, I just got the notification that it had been delivered, so I ran down to the mailbox and picked it up, and I took it out of the box, and I just wanted to do the unboxing here with you guys. And it is the Timex, and it's specifically the Timex M79, very similar to the packaging I got when I originally bought the Timex Q, uh, which I've actually since sold. Um, but here we go. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. Okay, so pretty much very similar in style and aesthetics to the Timex Q. This is 40 millimeter case, um, quite thicker than the Q. This is 14 and a half millimeters case thickness as reported on the website. Um, the Q obviously had the quartz movement, so it's going to be a thinner case. Um, Nice little case back here, exhibition case back, and I was able to dig a little bit and find out that they're using a Miyota um, 8209, 8205, something like that. I'll be able to clarify that information for you when I do the proper review. I will be doing a review soon. I am borrowing Chris's Timex Q, Chris from the Watch Lounge. Please check him out, his YouTube channel. Chris knows his stuff. He is sending me his, and I will be doing like a little side-by-side comparison. I mean, it's going to be mainly a review. I know it's not an apples-to-apples comparison per se, but the two watches, the Timex Q and this, are sort of in the same ballpark. So just for comparison reasons, it may be a good good thing to have when I'm doing this review. Um, like I said, it is what it is. This watch, stainless steel case. Look, it looks nice. I mean, whether it's a good watch or not, whether it's overpriced, um, that's yet to be determined. I'm trying to approach this watch and the review with an open mind. It's a little bit curious to me, and maybe I'm the only one, but this looks kind of like a dive watch here. Um, we have a countdown bezel, dive countdown bezel here, but it's only 50-meter water resistance. So, is it a dive watch? Is it not a dive watch? You have the dual color bezel here. The black going from the 9 to 3 o'clock, and the blue from the 3 to 9 this way. Reminiscent of a GMT type bezel, but obviously this is not a GMT bezel. So, yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna, like I said, approach this with an open mind, and in a few days I'll have a review for you guys. Um, so this is Bobby Legs with a Timex M79, and I will see you guys soon with a review.